everybody, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I want to do a little review on another tool for my trail work that I usually do or for hunting. It's the Silky BIGBOY folding saw, and it's got a 14-inch blade, plastic handle. It's got the extra large teeth, and with the extra large teeth you get the slightly curved blade. So the larger version of this, and way more expensive, is the Katana, the Silky Katana Boy, and it is it's got a stiffer blade and it's 500 millimeters, so quite a bit bigger. The handle is a little bit nicer, but you can pick these up on Amazon for roughly $70. I'll have links down in the description for both this one and the larger one. But let's get right to it, see how this thing cuts. The reason that I bought this, originally I saw these saws, the Silky saws, on the show, the survival show Alone, and I was amazed at how fast these people were able to cut through some fairly good sized timber. And I wanted one of those saws, so I just got the cheaper one. We're doing a review on it just to see if I like the Silky saws, and so far I do. But we'll set the tripod up and show you how it cuts. So normally doing trail work, we are clearing stuff that's dead and has fallen down, and so a lot of times we'll get stuff that's already partially rotted, and I don't feel like that's a real fair test for a really good expensive saw. So we're going to find one of these live trees that we don't need around and we're going to go with this one. So this is about probably 4 inches in diameter, and so we're just going to rip through that and see how this thing does. And then I'll find a larger one that's maybe been down for a while. So it's got a pretty nice folding mechanism here. That's what it looks like folded. It's pretty well protected. This would fit really nice. It's really light. Fit into a pack, your hunting pack or whatever, but it just flips open like that and locks. And it's pretty big once it's unfolded, you can see here. So we're just gonna take down this tree here and see how well it does, see if it will work easily for me or not. So let's get to it. Okay, that's pretty much all the way through so far. Make sure I don't fall on myself here. All right, how about that? So now you know how those guys on that show built their shelters so damn fast. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Let's find something bigger, something that's been down, maybe a little harder wood. So normally, yeah, if you've seen my other videos, you know I do a lot of trail work, and I would have just pulled the chainsaw out for this thing, but this is not rotten, although it's got some rotten spots here in the middle, but on the end it's pretty solid, and it's pretty thick too, but it's a harder wood. It's been seasoned a little bit. Let's just see if this thing can rip through it a little bit, just for reference for trail work. If I can get the tripod set up here without falling down. Let's try that. These teeth are pretty sharp. I did cut my thumb when I tried to do an earlier video on this thing. So you definitely got to keep your hand out of the way if you're holding something like that. It will cut your finger off. These teeth are super sharp. That cuts both directions because the teeth here are bidirectional. And there's also an offset you can see. So you've got teeth on this side, teeth on that side, and there's kind of almost a V shape. So they cut both ways. That's all the way through. All right, so I'm pretty happy with this. It's going to be a good addition to my pack when I hunt, and it is the Silky Big Boy 2000 with the extra large teeth. I'll have links down below in the description. I mean, for what I paid for it, $70, it rips. And I kind of would like for the blade to be a little bit stiffer. The larger, longer saw is stiffer, but you know, you're talking $200. So for a pack saw, this is excellent. I know this would rip through bone pretty well too if you're cleaning something out. I just did a video on this CVA Wolf black powder or muzzleloader, and check that out. Also, please subscribe. Look at my other videos. I got a bunch of tool videos and other things that you can check out. So enjoy whatever you're doing out there in the woods, and like I said, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a good one.